बांबोळेक काल सुरू जाल्ल्या CAI एक्सपोक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा। कन्स्ट्रक्शन, आर्किटेक्चर आणि इंटिरियराचे हे प्रदर्शन एशली मास्करेनसाचे हस्तुकी काल ताचे उक्तावण जाले। नामनेच्या ब्रँडाचे प्रोडक्ट्स ह्या एक्सपोत पळोवपाक मेळटात। फाल्यां मेरेन हे प्रदर्शन चलतले।
बांबोळे गोंय विद्यापीठा कडल्या डॉ. श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमात शुक्रारा 13वेर ह्यो एक्सपो सुरू जाला। 15 तारखे मेरेन हो चलतलो। I&S इव्हेंट्सान तो घडोवन हाडला। ताचेच बरोबरीन फर्निचर फेरय चालू आसा। तातूंत इंटेरियर आनी एक्सटिरियर एक्झिबिशन सुरू आसा। सकाळी 10 ते रातचे 8:30 मजगतीं पळोवप्यांक ते उक्ते दवरतले।
It is very good to have an exhibition, a live exhibition after 2 years. We are happy to participate in a very large way. We have 5 stalls and we have a very unique offer for the exhibition. If you visit all our 5 stalls, there is a special prize for the visitor.
We are the construction material mall at Kolwale. We are participating in CAI, that's the exhibition at Shama Prasad Mukherjee. This is which is going on for next 2 days, today and next 2 days. So do come and visit our stall. We have here a variety of display of paver blocks. We manufacture them in Goa at Kolwale Industrial Estate. We manufacture cement blocks, paver blocks, concrete benches and everything in precast. We are the dealers for steel and other building materials. We have hardware products, we have roofing solutions. We have lot of things in our store. It's a mega mall, a utility mall with all the products under one roof. You must visit at Kolwale.
We are providing puff insulated roofing sheets and wall panels. These are the puff insulated roofing sheets for sound insulation and heat insulation. 30 mm thickness. Bottom you can see plain. We can prepare cottages, office cabins, movable, detachable office cabins.
So Tosam is a Japanese company, and we are got into India in 2018. Right now, what you see in front of us is all aluminium windows and doors. These are all anodized and made in Thailand. So these windows are getting made in Thailand and coming to India. So we have all kind of windows available. Your sliders window, casement window, whatever type of window someone can dream of how to put in their home, we can get it.
It is a product of Hindware. In fact, last 4 years we have started this pipe division in Hyderabad base. This is a division which have all the range of PVC, CPVC, UPVC and SWR range. The specialty, the USP of as far as Hindware is concerned, we are the first factory all over India which has green company rating system, manufacturing as well as factory. And we have all products of CPVC which is NSF certified and CFTR certified, and which has been proven in India. We have all range of CPVC, UPVC, SWR as well as PVC range.
आमचो शोरूम पेंजीम आसा सांतिनेज नियर काकोलो फोर्ट शोरूम टायल्स आनी प्लस आमचो जॅगॉर शोरूम आसा तो मधुबन कॉम्प्लेक्सान आसा सांतिनेज. प्लस आमी फूल रेंज आसा आमचे कडेन जॅगॉराची, फूल ब्लॅक मेटान मेळटले, प्लस एंटीक फिनिशान, गोल्ड फिनिशान मेळटले, प्लस एक्सेसरीज दवरता आमी सगळे. प्लस तुमकां ग्लास पार्टिशन सुद्दां मेळटलें. आनी ही आमची फूल फिटिंग्स रेंज, किचन सिंक्स प्लस कन्सिल्ड डायवर्टर्स, कन्सिल्ड टॅंक मेळटले आनी प्लस कमोडाची रेंज आसा आमचे कडेन फूल.
आमच्या कंपनीचें नांव RK इंजिनियरींग वर्क्स. आमी पोरवोरी आमचें ऑफिस आहा आनी आयज आमी एक्झिबिशनाक पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आहा. हांगासर आमी वेरियस टायप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे आमचे ग्रिल्स, गेट्स, रेलिंग्स, स्कायलायट रूफिंग, प्लस ओल्ड हावजीस आहा पळय ताचे आमी रुफिंगूय करता. सो ह्या एक्झिबिशनाक आमी पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आहा. 3 दिसाचो इव्हेंट आहा. सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की सगळ्या लोकांनी ह्या एक्झिबिशनाक विजीट करचें आनी हे आमचो प्रोडक्ट पळोवपाचो.
गो 365 खातीर बांबोळेच्यान इर्षा शेख.